Worried about quality? See the real factory in 1 minute. This is our manufacturing hub. From raw materials to precision processing, every step is strictly controlled. Watch our core technology. High precision machinery at perfect texture, and strict quality checks. Strictly produced in high standards. Sufficient inventory, strong supply capacity. Our finished products. Factory direct, one-stop sourcing. Choose us for a worry-free business. High-quality crafts, custom and bulk orders welcome. Contact us now. Bayou Technology, your long-term reliable precision machining partner.